Hey guys, it's Jill here and I'm back with another makeup video. So today this is going to be a date night makeup tutorial. I don't have a date tonight because I am very much single, but I figured, you know, when I do decide to go on a date or when someone decides to ask me out, this would be my look. Rose gold look. It's definitely perfect for Valentine's Day, but it is September right now. So probably should have done like a fall look, but this is what my go-to was. I just pretty much paired this with a nude lipstick and I think it came together really well. So this is just going to be a little Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, leave it down below. I'll make sure to try and make those videos. I have been having a lot of free times on my... I've been having a lot of free time on my hands because I've been only working on weekends. But starting next week, I'm going to be working a lot. But I will still try and upload as many videos as I can. Just because I do find this, you know, as a little hobby, a side hobby that I like doing. Anyways, enough of my blabbering. If you want to see how to do this look, then keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to start off with my Wet n Wild concealer. This is the Photo Focus concealer. It's cheap, it's like $3, but it works really well, so I'm going to be using that just to prime my eyelids. And I'm just going to be using my Zoeva 142 concealer buffer. Next, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Outlast All Day. This is just a matte finishing powder. I use this to set my eyelids, set my primer. Okay, next I'm going to be taking some Scotch tape and I'm just going to be putting this on the back of my hand like so. And I'm going to be using this so I can create a nice straight line with my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to be placing that on the corner. So I'm just going to take my Morphe MB23 brush, and this brush, I swear to God, it blends so easily. So I'm going to be taking my Morphe palette. I kind of forgot what, 35V Stunning Vibes. That's just what it looks like. And so for my transition shade, I'm going to be taking this color right here. This is the color Turned On. And I'm going to be doing kind of a rose goldy look. So I'm just going to take that and just work my way up all the way into the crease and blend it. Next, I'm going to be taking this color right here. It is called In the Zone. It's a nice dark purple or mauve. It's a nice dark purple, and I'm just going to be taking this on my outer corner just to get like a little smoky effect, and it looks a little crazy right now, but I'm going to be blending it in later. But anyways, I'm going to go back into that Turned On color, that light pink, and I'm just going to be blending that out. Next, I'm just going to take a flat shader brush. This is by Zoeva, the detail brush. I used to have Fix Plus, but I ran out and I'm too lazy to go buy some more. So we're just going to use my Mario Badescu Rose Water. and it works perfectly. Alright, next I'm going to go into this nice pink shimmery shade right here. Let's see, oh yeah. Right there, it's called Three Little Words in the Morphe palettes. And then I'm just going to spray. And I'm going to place this on my eyelids. Now it looks like this has more of a gold shade to it, but that's because this pink tone has gold tones in it, so it does look a little gold to me. Next we're going to go back in with that dark purple color and just kind of make it a little darker. And then I'm going back in with that light pink and then blend it all out. Alright, now this is my favorite part. It's taking off the tape. So let's just look. Like, look how satisfying that is. So satisfying. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner. And this stuff stays on all day. Like, it's my favorite liner. So I'm just going to be drawing a wing with that. Alright, now this stuff I've used quite a bit, so I go in with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner, and I'm just going to use this on like my eyelids just because it's still watery and it gives me a more bold look. So foundation time, I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define. Is that what it's called? No, it's, yeah, Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade F10. So this is my favorite drugstore foundation. It's pretty matte, so if you have dry skin, this is not the foundation for you. But I usually use my Mario Badescu Rose Water with this. You will see in a second, but I just find that it works perfectly together. So I don't have like that matte of a finish, but still pretty matte, I guess. Then I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush from AOA Studio, spray that with a little rose water, and then blend it in. Next I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl Clean. This is the normal Skin Price powder in Classic Tan, and I'm just going to be using this to set my foundation. Okay, so if you've watched any of my makeup videos before, you know that I always use this NYX matte bronzer. This is in Deep Tan. This is my go-to bronzer. I've had it for years. But it's just a nice warm brown. Also, I've been using the same blush for years. I think it's called Malibu Glitz. It doesn't have a color name on it, but that's just what it looks like. And it's from shopmissy.com. It's like $1, but it gives me a nice pink. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with my little Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. And this is in the shade Opal. This is my go-to. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my highlighter brush. And again, I'm going to spray it with rose water. Okay, so I'm not the best at doing my eyebrows, but so I have this app called Influencer. You pretty much take surveys, you leave reviews on your favorite makeup products, and they send you free makeup products, shower products, home products, pet products, pretty much anything you can think of. So recently I got this Hourglass Arch Brow Duo, and it came with the gel, which is right here. It's just a clear gel. And so I've been using this to do my eyebrows, and I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill these in. So what I like to do is draw a little outside. And then I use my spoolie brush just to blend everything in so it doesn't look so harsh. And I am going to go in and then fix all the lines with my concealer. So I'm just going to take the same Wet n Wild concealer and then an angled brush. And I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with my clear gel. The Arch Brow Shaping Gel by Hourglass, and I'm just going to be fixing all my hairs, putting them in place. So I forgot what these were called, but I know they're by Ardell. If I find them, I will let you know, but they just look like that. Next, I'm going into my Too Faced Naturalized palette that I've had for years. But I'm just going to take this espresso, that dark brown shade right there, and I'm going to pop this on my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take, well, I forgot what this was called, but it's by Maybelline. It's one of their mascaras. But I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line. Right now I'm going to go in with my Sleek Life-Proof 12-Hour Wear Metallic Eyeliner. Not sure, it's okay, it's called Money Made Me Do It, but I usually just put this on my inner corners just for a little pop of highlight. And on my brows just a little bit. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the NYX Lingerie. This is in the color Ruffled Trim. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you watched till the end, thank you very much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave any suggestions that you want me to do in my next video. Make sure you also follow my Instagram. That is in the description box below. And I will see you guys in the next video. It is getting in my eye. Hey guys, it's Jillian here. Oh. So it's nice. It's a nice and roll. Please, you guys. I can't talk today. All right.